Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2017 Toyota Sienna. Just like most of our vehicles, is a rear entry mobility van. Very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. Just come over here, pop the trunk lid open. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. Undo these clamps. These clamps are great. They keep the ramp from rattling in the back. A lot of the other conversions do not allow that, so it's a good thing to have. 2 handles, one on the driver's side, one on the passenger side. I can take it down using only my index finger. Very easy to do. 36 inches wide. It does taper down to 34 inches where the ramp sits up here. 8 tie down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney or a stretcher. Got your spare tire there. Headliner. It all looks good. Rear air controls. Between these seats there's about 26 inches of room, so you should be able to slide most standard wheelchairs right up in there. The interior is excellent condition on this van. This van is extremely clean, extremely low miles. The dash looks great. It's got the steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. Backup camera, dual climate control, rear air, cup holders galore. So you've got cup holders over in the door. I think there's like 6 cup holders up here in front. So if you like to carry multiple drinks at one time, this is the van for you. Come back out. Again, 1 finger. Look, I can take that up. Extremely easy to do. 56 inches coming in the door, 58 inches of headroom inside. Yes, this van is ADA compliant. If you decide, oh, lost my tag. It's just magnetic. Put that back on there real quick. If you decide you want to use this van for, say, a taxi service, you can shut the power doors off. And they'll swing like a regular sliding door. Quick walk around to the van, very clean. Alloy wheels. All the tires have a lot of tread left on them, probably original tires, you know, with 24,000 miles on them. Tinted windows in the rear. It's got your roof rack in case you want to do any traveling. Roof looks good. Got this chrome plating down here. The rear seats look great. The jump seats have been installed. Overall, extremely clean van. I mean, this thing is, I buy only the nicest of the nice stuff. I don't buy stuff that's been wrecked or pulled out of a river, nothing like that. This is a 1-owner vehicle. It has 3 keys and 2 fobs. When we go in to start the vehicle, it also has a power driver's seat. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. I'm going to fire it up. And fires up first time every time. So he's got a full fuel tank. Current miles 24,693. And all the dummy lights go out. The door's open because that one's on because the door's open. You see I've got the backup camera there. So let me pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has a 3.5 V6 Toyota engine. No signs of any leaks, no signs of any damage, no signs of any water damage. We did put a brand new battery in this van. Very clean as I crawl underneath the van. And that's one thing a lot of our competitors don't show you. They don't show you the undercarriage. Folks, if you get a van that's got a bunch of rust, that's been up in the northern states, it's the air conditioner dripping, is all that is. Very humid today. If you get a van that won't pass inspection, that's got too much rust, or the frame's all rusted out, not only is that extremely dangerous if you were getting into an accident, but if it won't pass inspection, you can't drive it. You can't get it tagged. Notice our competition, they very rarely show the undercarriage of a vehicle. There's a reason for that. I know you're smarter than that. You're not going to spend $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 and just accept a few pictures of a van. Tell them to get out, get off their behind, get out and make a detailed video like this. That's the #1 mistake people make when buying a vehicle. They assume things. They assume that the vehicle is going to be a good running vehicle and that it's very nice because the pictures look nice. They assume that because the salesman was nice to them that they're being completely honest with them. That is very rarely the case. They assume because the salesman's nice there's no hidden fees. Ask about those hidden fees. Ask about shipping. You know, all these things that we take care of for you that we do not add in, so I'll get to that later, but let's get the van out on the highway so you can hear it run. I have 3 mechanics. We've inspected this van. All the windows work, the air conditioning. Well, we've checked everything on this van, so it's darn near new condition. So let's get it out on the highway. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans on a test drive and make sure that you know they're roadworthy, whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or you come in and drive the van home. you know that we've done our due diligence and we've made sure this van is roadworthy. So let me get out and give it some gas. It's up to about 70, 65 miles an hour. Steering wheel is nice and straight. Drives down the highway very nicely. Tracks very nice. I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. What I'd ask of you is to compare our reputation. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, first of all. Look us up on Google. Look Affordable Mobility Solutions up on Google. Look at all the things people had to say about us. I challenge you to do the same with our competition. See what people had to say about them. There's not many people that can match up to our reputation. Also ask yourself, and be sure to ask when you're calling about these vans, ask them if they have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a good price on the internet, and then you factor in the $500 fee or $1,000 fee they're going to tack on the back end of it. Then you factor in that you have to pay for shipping. Then you factor in you have never seen a video. They're trying to sell you a van on just pictures alone. And when it comes down to it, no one, and I mean no one, can compete with the deals at Affordable Mobility. Our reputation, our prices, our honesty, and our videos are what's going to sell this van. I am not a used car salesman. I'm not going to try and talk you into buying it. I promise if you don't buy it, someone else is going to. So let me give it a hard brake. And that bump you heard was just my thermos here. Wasn't anything in the van. Drive smooth, brake smooth, no unusual grinding, no unusual brake noise. So overall, it's a very clean van. No, it's not brand new, but it is extremely clean, and I think if it's taken care of, I know it'll make a great van for you, your family, or your business for many years to come. So as I talk about our videos, I'm the owner of the company out here rolling around on the ground in the heat, so you can see what's going on underneath this van. That's my next point, is I am the owner of the company. I am not a used car salesman. You want to buy from an owner, you want to buy from a used car salesman. Most of those used car salesmen aren't going to be working. They're not even going to be working there in 2 months. They'll be off to their next adventure, their next dealership, their next lot. They don't care if you get a good deal. They don't care if you know the truth. All they care about is that commission check. And I'm going to be honest, sorry to any of you that are used car salesmen. I am not a huge fan of a used car salesman. So that's why you want to do business with the owner. My next thing is, if you ever want to see our inventory, please check us out, www.mobility316.com, mobility316.com. If you ever want to make an appointment to see a van, please always give me a call. I know your time is valuable. I don't want to miss you. Give me a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. Maybe you're more of a text messenger. Give me a text, 316-518-4377. That is my cell phone number. You now have the owner's cell phone number. Try and get the owner's cell phone number from one of these big companies. Yeah, good luck. That's the difference of doing business with a small company like us. You can reach out to the owner anytime you need to. We do have financing available, so we can email you an application. We can take one over the phone. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call me today.